Hi everyone, so today I'm going to Pragya Didi's house. She's a therapist and she told me her work is all calls, like the whole day. She starts her day with the call and she ends her day on a call. So let's go and meet her and we'll see how her day goes. My god, I really like how her and her sister's name is here. So like Sana is her younger sister. I just ring the bell. Hello. Hello. अंदर आ. Hello. Hello. बंद कर दो कभी बाहर ना चला जाए. Seems like she's on a call. So, okay, I see turtles over here. So let's see them. Hi. Hello. Such a cute dress.
ड्रेस पहनो. वीडियो है.
ये सब BTS में आएगा.
So cute.
रेडी होके बैठो भाई.
इसने आज पहली बार किसी डॉग को पेट.
I don't even touch them. ये शांत है थोड़ा.
इसकी मम्मी मेरे को मार देगी अगर इसकी कुछ पहनी होगी. और ये क्यूट ही लगी होगी तो, है ना? रेडी कोकी रेडी. मैडम कैन वी शूट यू? रेडी?
Hello. Hello.
हेलो.
Hi.
I see you already met Koki.
Yeah, I've met all your pets.
You met the turtles behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do they have any name?
They don't actually. Now that I realize it.
Oh, I got a gift for you.
Oh,
This is just an indoor plant.
You really did not need to get all these things.
Just a
but
thank you.
thank you so much. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Come, let's go where the work happens. My bedroom.
It's a really cute room.
So yeah.
Okay, so can we get a gist of who Pragya is and how your day goes as a therapist and as a team lead?
Okay. So I'm Pragya Arora. I'm a senior psychologist and team leader here at Koto. Koto is basically an emotional wellness app that offers mental health services, astrological services, tarot services. So holistically working on your emotional health. Download the app so you get to know what it's like.
This is not sponsored, by the way.
Absolutely. So yeah, and my day is pretty filled up with client calls, team calls. You'll see it's pretty occupied, it's pretty hectic. I just switch from one call to another. So you'll see for yourself. I'm actually just midway preparing myself for another call.
Okay.
So yeah. So I'm working closely with the founders of the app as well. So what we're doing is I work with them in everything end to end, from building out the app to the new app features, app versions. If there's anything that releases on our app, it goes through me. I'm the first one to test it out. If there's a new team member who's coming on board, I'm the first one to train them out, right? So I'm also heading the training department and whatnot. So anything that comes out that you see on Koto, we're building it out together, we're building it collaboratively. So yeah, that's the other aspect of my job. That you feel like, that people have expectations from you to be in a certain way, right? Are these expectations, has anyone told these expectations to you? That you have to be nice, you have to be sweet. Okay. So where did these expectations, precisely, where did these expectations come from? Can we go back to your childhood maybe? Hi everybody, how are you? नहीं, I just needed a 5-minute break क्योंकि वो 3 घंटे का session था. So I just needed a break and I thought I'll come back. Okay. Okay, awesome. Next on my list is a call with the CEO. The entire team is going to be there, so just gonna hop in on that. Yeah, sometimes I have to have my lunch with the call. So startups have it all. I'm not just a psychologist, not just a team lead, but also now going on a training call with the new experts who are coming on board. So not just mental health, but tarot, astro, whatever kind of services that we offer on our app, I am going to be bringing them together and training the entire set of new experts that are coming on our platform, teaching them how to be an expert. So yeah, let's go. Awesome. Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, my bad. Good afternoon, how are you all?
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all cameras on, faces, happy faces, can I see? Fourth day of training, guys. This is the ritual. Okay, I might just wait a couple of minutes for everybody to join in and then we'll start. Right? Works? Awesome. Works. Okay, done. Abhi theek hai. So I have to think what to do. सारे आ गए और मैं अब सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. I think yeah, I'll do. हाँ ठीक है. I have an idea what to do. Okay, got it. ठीक है. Sounds good. Okay, another minute and then I'll start. Right. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Something you were asking.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Ma'am, I'm actually traveling, so is it okay if I keep my video?
Yeah. Not a problem.
ठीक है?
हाँ,
Okay.
of course. ठीक है. Okay. Gone through ankles. Oh my God. Okay. Are you fine? Are you okay?
Like it's paining a little now, so that's why.
Do you want to take off? You can take off.
No, it's fine. I have to manage. Just I don't want to keep my video on.
Okay,
Is
no.
that possible?
No problem at all. But if at any point of time you want to leave, you can leave. It's okay.
No, it's okay. I will continue. Just
हाँ.
here. I will hear and I will respond if I have any questions or.
हाँ,
require
sounds
also.
good. Sounds good.
Just I want to keep my video.
ठीक है. Sounds good. Okay.
Thank you.
Yesterday we did the
That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.